Hi friends, this is the first prize bout, which is also called Chutti Ki Kusti, or the main bout of this dangal at Sihor, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, India. This is a beautiful competition. It's a Desi wrestling competition organized by Atul Rathod, President, Indian Style Wrestling Association, and Ajay Bisuria, Secretary of the organization, Pammi Netaji, Jiten Pahalwan, Manoj Rathod, Tarun Rathod, Naveen Rathod, etc. As you can see, these two wrestlers are now ready to fight each other, and the wrestler in orange is Hariom Tractor, and the wrestler in white is Chitra Pahalwan from Mathura. Both are very good wrestlers, as you can see. That's why they have been fighting for the first prize. Again, you see, since the bout has started, Hariom Tractor has attacked 2 times. So when these two wrestlers are fighting, they do have their own strategies in their mind. They do have their own tactics in the mind. Here it seems that Hariom Tractor has an attacking strategy, and he wants to finish the bout very early because his opponent is heavier than him, and if the time passes, he will find himself more problem because he will exhaust sooner. On the other hand, Chitra seems to be fighting but not attacking. He is sort of countering Hariom's moves. So these two wrestlers are in the playground of Sihor, Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh. The ground, as you can see, is very beautifully prepared, and Mr. Atul Rathod and Ajay Bisuria and his team has been working since a month to prepare for these events.
देखिए अभी एक जानकारी आई है, सूचना आई है। हरिओम ट्रैक्टर पहलवान जो है थोड़ा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पहलवान तो है ही है, साथ ही साथ उन्होंने बैंकॉक में गोल्ड मेडल जीतकर भारत देश का नाम गौरवान्वित किया है। ऐसे हरिओम ट्रैक्टर पहलवान के लिए जोरदार ताली बजा पूरा सदन।
Oh, what action by Hariom. So Hariom tried a move and tried to pin his opponent by fall, but a beautiful save by Chitra Pahalwan. So as I said earlier, it is obvious now that Hariom want to finish the bout early, and while Chitra Pahalwan used to counter his move and used to exhaust him, so that he in the later part of the game he can pin him down easily. So these are the strategies, maybe these are in the minds of the wrestlers. This is the competition which is organized in commemorating in the profound memory of the freedom fighter late Shiv Narayanji Rathod, who is no more, but his memories are kept alive in this dangal. They are pushing and pulling each other, entangled in among themselves, but it takes power to end. Here Hariom Tractor pushed Chitra outside the ring, outside the arena, makes him more aggressive. He looks more aggressive than Chitra now. Again, the both wrestlers are entangled. So as I was telling you, it take 1 month to prepare for this competition, and as you can see, the bright shining lights, it is night time, and in these bright shining lights we can see the wrestlers fighting. There are people beyond the barricades. These barricades are put to the public. And again Chitra Pahalwan is using a technique. He used a leg technique, then used another technique and brought Chitra on ground. Yet nothing happened, because in Desi Kusti you have to pin your opponent on the shoulders, and here again Hariom Pahalwan is working on Chitra. He has grabbed his janghia, his costume called janghia, and tried to bring him on in the center of the arena, while heavier Chitra Pahalwan looks more relaxed, and obviously his strategy is to exhaust all the energy from Hariom Tractor Pahalwan. So I was talking about the preparations. See these bright lights. It takes time.
ये हमारे देश के बहुत अच्छे और बड़े पहलवान हैं और बहुत अनुभवी पहलवान हैं और बेहतर कुश्ती दिखाएंगे ऐसे हमें उम्मीद है।
And again,
बताना चाहता हूँ
Hariom Tractor pushed Chitra out, and Chitra tried to pull his legs. Again, the match resumes. It is a first prize match between these two wrestlers, and this is also called Chutti ki Kusti, Patke ki Kusti, or the Jhandi ki Kusti. In this first prize match and this is a sort of a national competition, because wrestlers from Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, UP, MP, Maharashtra, these are the main states where wrestling is played. It's the main game. However, wrestling is played all over India, but still these are the states which plays the game at a large scale. So here both the wrestlers trying to fight, trying to push and pull each other, trying to judge their opponent, and trying to find an opening, a loose ground, and to attack. So this is wrestling, and this is the beauty of Indian wrestling, that there are no points here. It is very simple. You just have to pin your opponent so that he sees the sky and his shoulder touches the ground. This is the only way. So it is very easy to understand. In India, the heavier wrestler are the better. The wrestling game starts with the young, lighter children, and slowly it goes up. As the bouts goes up, the weights, the seniority, the skills goes up. And here these two wrestlers, they are skilled wrestlers.
ने अवसर दिया आपके गांव में देखने के लिए जनता खड़ी है।
And here Hariom pushes him outside the ring, the arena, and he does some foul work. It is not necessary, I think. They are heavier wrestlers and they have everything. That's why so many people have come here to watch them fight, and they are putting a good show. Hariom's aggressiveness makes people think that he is going to win, but still Chitra is standing tall. But sometimes in the heat of the fight, you don't know what are you doing. You just have to defeat your opponent morally, physically.
काम नहीं चलेगा। आपकी कला जो आपके अंदर है उसको निकालें, इस मिट्टी पे निकालें, इस धरती पे निकालें।
These two wrestlers are fighting, but great. Chitra used his hand to bring Hariom on ground. He jerked his knees hard. It's allowed in wrestling.
नियमों से भली भांति आप परिचित हैं।
Here Chitra again tries to use some techniques. Now the aggressiveness in the wrestlers in Chitra is also increasing. I think Chitra succeeded in his plans to exhaust Hariom, and now both the wrestlers are at the same level. Chitra is now more aggressive now. So see, here the difference is now Chitra is equally fighting at the same speed and same aggressiveness. Nobody can forecast who is going to win. It's a good game, however. So 12 minutes of the game has gone, and both the wrestlers are standing. Still, the match has become more interesting. People want to see who is going to win. There is a question, who is going to win the match? Oh God, Chitra is going to. Now Chitra is dominating. Chitra brought Hariom on the ground, but here referee tries to intervene and ask both the wrestlers to come inside the ring and fight in the center, because on the corner it is not possible to give a pin sometimes, because it is always a question whether it is inside or outside the ring.
तेलगा मचा दिया यार सीओर में, क्या भारत में नंगा बच गया एकदम हीरा कुश्ती काटा, बिल्कुल कोई भी पहलवान किसी से चीट होने को तैयार नहीं है।
So here you can see the photo of Lord Hanuman, God Hanuman,
इधर उधर से दूर लाट के
and here Chitra
कुश्ती खत्म,
got carried away by
बाहर आ गई। लेकिन ये देखो
Hariom. So Lord Hanuman, he is a symbol of power, he is a symbol of devotion, and here Chitra is dominating now, and this is Chitra's famous move. I know he will
पूरी चाल
bring
ये कुश्ती दिखा रहा है।
Hariom to the ground, put his knee on his head,
हालांकि फैसला
and will pull his janghiya and topple him over to the pin.
क्यों लाडो साहब,
So it is going to a pin, I think.
तो निश्चित है होना ही है।
Chitra is going to win,
जब तक मर्जी आए लड़ो, फैसला तो आपको एक
but here Hariom is known for his defensive techniques, and he is more defensive than attacking a person. That's why I told that it was. And here it's very hard punishment for the wrestler who is under on the ground, and a heavy wrestler on his neck. It's really a big punishment, and it's allowed in Indian Kushti wrestling, but it is not allowed in match. And here Hariom saved himself, but again Chitra put his knees on his head, on his neck. Big trouble for Hariom.
इतना बड़ा महाआयोजन लाडो साहब ने निःशुल्क करा दिया। जनता जनार्दन से हम ये चाहते हैं, खाली पहलवानों के लिए ताली बजाओ और मजे लेके अपने राम जी के घर जाओ और पूरे फिर अगले दंगल में आ जाओ। वाह यार, दंगल कराने वाली समिति का बहुत धन्यवाद। इतना अच्छा वास्तव में बहुत अच्छा दंगल कराया। रुस्तम पहलवान दोनों
So this is the statue of Hanuman photo. Oh God! Hariom saved him, and he attacked. Not only Hariom saved himself from Chitra's heavy legs, he stood up and attacked on his legs. So this is the beauty of the game. Both the wrestlers are fighting very well, putting a good show for the public. And again, Chitra and they both are struck. They are holding each other's fingers, which is not allowed. Went outside, brought inside by the referee. Now they are in the ring, in the center of the ring, and fighting. Chitra again. Chitra is using some peculiar move. He is holding his hand, his fingers. I think the referee should see it. And now he is over, riding Hariom literally. 15 minutes of the game has passed, and the game was scheduled for 20 minutes, and after, if the game remains a draw, if the game remains a tie, there will be a rematch on the basis of points, and whoever will be a point will be the winner of the match. This is a great thing by the Dangal committee, who here Hariom want to drink some water, but the referee disallows it because it is not allowed. You have to fight continuously for 20 minutes. And here Chitra is now dominating. In the first half we have seen Hariom attacking and attacking, but here Chitra succeeded exhausting his enemy, and now Hariom looks exhausted and Chitra is taking benefit of it and again pushing him outside the ring, and it looks like Hariom have injured his fingers because Chitra pulling his fingers fiercely. But still Chitra putting some mud over him. This mud is thrown by the opponent to have a good grip on his opponent, but still you have to ask your opponent. And again Chitra pulls him on the ground, jerks his and again puts his knee on Hariom's neck. What a punishment for being slow, This is the game. So the god Hanuman, the game is played under his guidance, believing him to be a symbol of power, to be a symbol of modesty, to be a symbol of respect. So you have to follow him, be like him, and here again Chitra put his knees on his neck. So these are the arrangement by the Hariom went into danger position. Chitra pulled his jangya and brought him to danger position, but Hariom saved himself. As I said, Hariom is a very good defensive player. And here the time has lapsed, 20 minutes has passed, the match has become a draw, and you see the Dangal committee don't want to give equal prize to these wrestlers. They want to decide the fight because so many public is there. They want to see the winner. They don't want to see an equal match. Like in many places, big wrestlers remains a draw, they go home sharing the prize money. But here there will be a rematch on the basis of points, and here the referee instructing them how to play, and he is giving them a demonstration how he will give points, which is like international mat wrestling. Both the wrestlers putting mud on each other to cool down, and here these two wrestlers playing on the basis point. Here Hariom attacked on the legs. It was a good attack, but equal good save by Chitra Pahalwan. Chitra now wanted to pull him down, and again Hariom attacked on the legs, and here he succeeded in bringing Chitra down on the ground and he won. Here Hariom became the champion of the event. He is the champion of Sihor, he is champion of Madhya Pradesh Kadwa. What a good match, what a good show by Hariom. Congratulations to Hariom being the champion of Madhya Pradesh. So both the wrestlers need applause and need praise because they have done a very good job. They have put a very good show, and the public is very happy to see them fight here, these heavyweight wrestlers. And thanks to the Dangal committee, these guys who organize such a match. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Deepak Bansal.